you're doing. I'm doing great, and I hope you are too. The holidays are coming up, so I've been busy doing that, and it's been quite a long time since I actually posted something. But I just want to bring you a quick update as far as what will be coming in the future, and I'll do probably a 2026 video when that hits. But I'm going to be redoing the tank. That's one of my main ones. I have my guys over in this small 7-gallon right now. They've been getting along pretty good, but I'm sure they can't wait to get back into the 30-gallon. And just like any aquarium keeper, I was looking at a 60-gallon too, but it's not quite in my budget, so we'll see what that comes to. But today I just wanted to bring you this. It's something I've been waiting to get in. It took maybe 2-3 weeks to get in. It's a little something from Grid Studio. It's basically an iPhone 7, I believe I got on here. But when it came in, it was quite packaged up, really nice. So, I mean, it was well covered. The corners are pretty solid here with the packaged in. This is just the outer thing. But then I got into the box here. And just to show you a little setup here, they did a pretty nice way to put it together. So I'll keep it to the side here. They got a little card from Grid. They got thank you for joining the Grid family with a coupon in there. Silica gel that will keep it nice and fresh. They have what it looks like little hangers for this. And then it's actually wax sealed with like the hot wax with your old traditional stamp and everything on there. So it's very impressive what they did. So let's see, get it out of the box here. Little foam covers and stuff to protect it. And then they have their own wrapping paper. It says Grid all over it. I don't think I can take it off without doing damage to the paper. Let's see how far we can go. No, it's ripping, so we'll just go for it at this point. We'll just rip it open, guys. So ASMR for you. I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. Okay, we're back to quiet. It's basically the broken down iPhone 7 with the parts and everything labeled. They got a nice little cover here. Let's see if it can come off nicely. It's going under the frame, so I may have to do some disassembly. But it is protecting it quite nicely. Get a little bit of it off. Sorry for the noise. Good thing I don't have the mic right here. We're just going through the phone at this time. So I'm gonna have to probably disassemble a little bit just to get that pressure off the glass. But there it is, guys. It's pretty nice. I got it all laid out, all labeled. Got the phone, the displays here, the backs here, and then all the innards are inside. It's Grid Studio. There's another place that does very similar things. I don't recall the name of it. If you guys know it, leave it down in the comments down below. If you have one of these already or picked up one of these, let me know. This was on sale at 50% off. So that's why I got the iPhone 7. The other ones were a little higher, but I wanted just to see how everything was, and it's looking pretty nice. Very nice, actually. I was quite impressed, like I said, with their packaging, their little hot wax stamp, their little thank you cards. It's a very good presentation. They couldn't have done anything better than that. I'll have to keep that in mind down the road when I start to do some kind of products or something. But like I said, guys, just want to give you a quick update before the holidays. I want to let you know, have a great time with your family, celebrate as much as you can, keep the memories that you can, and I will see you in 2026. Have a good one, guys.